Emily and John own a quaint cottage in the English countryside, which has become a favorite among travelers seeking a serene escape. In an interview, Emily shared their secret to success. "We treat our guests like family. From personalized welcome notes to homemade cookies, we go the extra mile to make them feel at home."
Personal touches, like small gestures, can leave a lasting impression. Attention to detail, such as keeping the property spotless and well-maintained, is crucial.
Raj, a tech entrepreneur in San Francisco, rents out a modern loft in the heart of the city. His property is popular among business travelers and tourists alike. "I leverage technology to streamline the guest experience," Raj explained. "Smart locks, automated check-ins, and a digital guidebook have made my hosting process efficient and guest-friendly."
Tech integration, like utilizing smart technology, can really enhance the guest experience. Efficient management through automated systems helps manage bookings and guest communications effectively.
Maria, a retired school teacher in Greece, turned her seaside villa into a lucrative Airbnb rental. She shared a significant lesson. Communication is key. Clear and prompt communication helps build trust with guests. "I always ensure my listing is accurate and keep an open line of communication."
Clear communication, by being responsive and transparent with guests, prevents misunderstandings. Accurate listings with honest descriptions and photos set the right expectations. Tom and Lisa host a rustic cabin in the mountains of Colorado. They encountered a challenging guest who left negative feedback despite their best efforts. "We learned not to take criticism personally. Instead, we used it to improve. Feedback is invaluable," Lisa said. Handling criticism. Use guest feedback constructively to enhance your hosting. Continuous improvement, regularly update, and improve your property based on reviews. Sophia, an artist in Barcelona, transformed her home into a cultural retreat, offering art classes and local tours. Her listing quickly became popular. "Sophia, combining my passion with hosting was a game changer. It allowed me to share my culture and create unique experiences for my guests." Unique experiences. Offering specialized activities can set your listing apart. Passion integration. Incorporating personal interests makes hosting more enjoyable and authentic. Mark, an environmentalist in New Zealand, built an eco-friendly lodge from sustainable materials. His focus on green living attracted eco-conscious travelers. Mark, sustainability is a growing trend. Guests appreciate our efforts to minimize our carbon footprint. Sustainable practices. Eco-friendly initiatives can attract a niche market. Market trends. Staying ahead of travel trends can boost bookings. Successful Airbnb hosts come from diverse backgrounds, but they share common traits: attention to detail, excellent communication, and the ability to adapt and improve. By learning from their experiences and implementing their strategies, aspiring hosts can enhance their own hosting journey and achieve success in the competitive Airbnb market. These stories highlight that with dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn, anyone can thrive as an Airbnb host.